Gather your materials and get excited. This project is not only fun, but also teaches valuable scientific principles about renewable energy. With these common items, you will harness the power of water to create something amazing. Start by cutting the plastic bottle. Remember, the key is to allow water flow effectively. Once this is done, the real fun begins as you craft paddles using ice cream sticks. The energy captured from the flowing water can amaze and inspire those around you. Focus on building a sturdy base, as it will support your entire project, giving it balance and stability. Attach the paddles securely to the bottle's sides, positioning them evenly around the circumference. Make sure they are angled optimally, allowing the water to push against them as it flows. This simple yet crucial step will maximize the energy captured from the water, ensuring that your water wheel operates effectively. With everything securely in place, it's time to connect the straw to the bottle. This will define where the water exits and enters, guiding the flow to the paddles and enhancing performance. Don't rush this part. Precision is key for smooth functioning. As you assemble these components, imagine the water cascading over the paddles and the resulting energy being converted into power for your LED. This visualization will fuel your excitement as you near the completion of your project. Next, carefully attach the DC motor to the base, ensuring that it lines up perfectly with the paddles you've created. This positioning is crucial. When the paddles begin to turn with the flowing water, they should engage the motor effectively. Take your time adjusting the fit, as a well-aligned motor will push the potential of your energy generation to its maximum. With the motor ready, it's time to connect your chosen bright LED. This component will be the visual reward for your efforts, shining brightly when energy flows through it. As you watch the designs come together, feel the anticipation build. The moment the water wheel spins and lights up the LED will be truly exhilarating. Imagine how proud you'll feel demonstrating this remarkable achievement to family and friends, not just as a fun project, but as a breakthrough in renewable energy experimentation. Keep everything secure and prepare for the sparkling results of your hard work. Make sure to have plenty of water ready, as this is essential for the water wheel to function effectively. Congratulations on completing your water wheel project. You've not only learned how to create a beautiful piece of art, but also gained insights into sustainable energy practices. We hope this experience inspires you to explore more innovative projects in the future and share your newfound knowledge with others.